Hi, Ann Wood with Chris Realty. Welcome to 16937 Amherst Court in Lockport. This is in the Lago Vista subdivision. It's an active 55 and older community. Lots to do here. You're gonna love it. This home behind me is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a den and a sunroom on a premium lot, listed at $365,000. So come on in and let's take a look at it.